and welcome to the channel. So today I want to give a little bit of an update. It's been a while since I've got to film due to work, but I want to kind of update you guys a little bit. Hopefully be able to post some videos again here real soon. They don't really have a whole lot going on with the Duramax right now. I know it's been a while since you guys seen it, but I do have something pretty big going on with the Jeep right now. I'm trying not to show it in the video because I got a new set of tires for it. Actually, the tires that's on it right now I've had around here and I end up putting them on, but I don't want to show you guys till the next video. But I did just buy 2 tires the other day, and I ain't gonna show them yet either, but they're going on the Jeep. I've took the tires off the Jeep right now and put them on the blue Jeep, the 98 Jeep. But I will talk about that in the next video. I want to show you the new reveal of the Jeep. I think you guys will like what kind of tires I bought and what size. So I want you guys to comment down below what size tires you think I went with and what kind. I think you guys will really like what I got. Probably will have another video coming up soon. I brought my trailer down. I'm wanting to stain the wood on it and seal it. So I got that coming up here soon. Whenever I get the Jeep all finished up, I plan to take it somewhere, probably at Mine Made or somewhere, and we'll make some good videos with it. So I just wanted to give a little bit of an update right now. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.